Recording this video Thursday 29th of March 2012. Just a quick video today. We closed down a couple of points at 1398, 1.5 million contracts traded, but it was a little bit of a reversal day. 13,500 tip bar chart said yesterday this downtrend move was not over until we saw pullback to end of trend on the 13,500 tip bar chart, and we'd find that resistance level somewhere between the close of yesterday and 1410, this kind of breakdown level. Well, we made it up to about 1404. Rambo pattern here, and we sold off till about 11 o'clock in the morning, and we made this pullback to end of trend. Pullback printed a little bit late, but you get the idea. That sequence is over, and then on this double bottom you can see all the blue professional bars kind of coming in and buying that low, and then we've rallied from there. It's kind of perfect in terms of timing. I always think about 11 o'clock as being the window for when we're going to get a reversal in trend, if we're going to get one. So normally, the market has one, maximum two trend directions during the day, and if it's going to reverse during the day, the window to shut for that reversal is about 11 o'clock in the morning, and that's exactly what happened today. On the 40,500 tip bar chart, you can see it's just a little bit of an overshoot of this support level, and on the 4,500 tip bar chart was a beautiful pullback to end of trend. So you got the two kind of pullback to end of trend sequences happening simultaneously on the 13,500 and the 4,500 tip bar chart. You can see all the blue professional bars kind of coming in here. We had a nice little kind of test down, amateur down bars at this point. This exhaustion buying is getting the move going, and you can see we've come into blue professional bars, just taking profits at the end of the day. Because this has set this move off, we're in an uptrend above resistance here. We've got to see pullback to end of trend here and another kind of exhaustion signal before this is over. So let's see where that goes. But bear in mind, on the crude chart, I was talking about this a couple of days ago, that this support level of about 4.5, 104.50 has been broken on the downside, and seeing a couple of good commentaries on, I think it was either probably Zero Hedge, just talking about the commodity markets not kind of joining in with the equity markets on this last push up, and this is the first kind of sign of weakness that we've seen on the crude chart. You can see crude made pullback to end of trend sequence here, but this thing wasn't over until we saw exhaustion buying. Blue professional bars at the high there. We had first bearish divergence kind of goes in, a little test up here with these amateur up bars into these highs. Very weak here. Bearish divergence goes off, and now we've broken. We're closing below support at this level at kind of 104, 104.50. So that's kind of sign of weakness. So although on these equity charts we're kind of making it back up, this top up here at 1420 with our exhaustion buying is really significant. So all we're doing here is we've made a weak kind of bottom, coming back up to test. If we lose it and kind of go the other way, kind of breaking back down would be my kind of scenario going forward. In terms of setups on the 1500 tip bar chart, that low of the day, the best setup was marked by a pullback to end of trend sequence. 1500 tip bar chart, just coming out to that 11 o'clock kind of window for a reversal of trend, and we had exhaustion selling, first divergence, bullish divergence, and flush pattern kind of comes down here. Then we need to wait for pullback to end of trend sequence. Amateur bar kind of marks the low here, and we kind of race away from there. The couple of opportunities to kind of get long on this, kind of going up. We had the Rambo pattern here, amateur down bar into the testing of those lows, continue up, another amateur down bar here. This uptrend isn't over. We've not seen a kind of pullback to end of trend yet on the 1500 tip bar chart, and this exhaustion buying here is just getting the move going, so we need to see that on the upside here. Unfortunately, I wasn't trading today. We had a power outage on Kauai. The whole of the island got knocked out last night, and here at the north side we didn't get power back until after I'd gone to bed, so took the opportunity to sleep in, and then had to reset all my systems in the morning. So missed a good day's trading. I hope you traded it well, but just be aware that I don't think all is kind of rosy here. We've still got this kind of weakness coming up in these charts, and all we're doing, I think, at the moment is testing back up into this area. So let's look for that Friday, end of the week. And we'll be packing our bags, kind of going back to Sydney beginning of next week. So you might see fewer videos over the next couple of days.